you a bit more because you didn't buy the hair from us,
You hold
right?
it.
Okay.
Take one. Ew, I don't like artificial grapes.
Is it recording?
She's a
Yeah,
good lady.
we're gonna
She's
eat
a
this
good job.
Ew, I don't like
Where else
grapes
you
though.
gonna go? She'll give you
I don't
the
want
best
it.
price she can. Obviously, she'd do
Not that
what she
bad.
could.
Let's pick two that are the same color. And pass me one.
Oh, yeah. I didn't see that.
Her hair would be cheaper than this.
It's not bad.
A little more
I
pricey.
don't like grapes.
About the clips. It just depends on like what type of hair it is.
Two they're the same color. Are they the exact same?
Yeah, wait.
It has like yellowy with like green and
Same
crap
hair
in it.
Sarah's got.
No, it's different.
Yeah. That color is so
Mine, I don't have the clips in it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and mine said
Not bad.
The higher quality hair.
And jelly beans for a while.
It's
lemonade.
It's also from
No, it's something else.
she said that.
Having some attractive faces with braces, eh? The two blue
Back
ones?
of my teeth.
No, that was a different place.
This is still fine, Maddie.
The blue ones taste good.
You couldn't get a better
No, I want
price
that one.
for 18
We need another blue one.
There's another one.
We'll just take it to
Screw you, get the blue one then.
You can have this weird color.
there.
Do it, I dare
No,
you.
no, we
I
have
ate the grape
you have
one.
to have the same colored one.
No,
How about the dark green ones? They're watermelon. They're good.
I'm not just like, can I eat it?
Yeah, but eat it. But show it to the camera.
Can I eat the blue one? Looks like an egg.
I've never had it. These are apple.
Whenever I have
That tastes funny. That's thanks blue.
Half
Half of it is blue.
Half is yellow. Ready?
It is right
Wait.
now, like, actually, like, that's it.
Back of my teeth.
It's on camera.
Drawing.
Ready?
You need to do a
Uh-uh.
for banking.
I know.
You have like 3 hours, so you're just going.
It's gotta look nice.
I'm messing right.
Ready? This is green.
I'm eating combined ones because she's not waiting for me.
Well, shoot, swallow. Ready?
No, it's still stuck in my teeth, but oh
So,
well.
my writing, like, if I, like,
Apple?
if I make it look like, if I take my
That was good.
you just want it, like, really, like, fancy sort of.
Something that looks nice. It should have been professionally done in Canada.
That's nice.
In high school, we're doing
There's
charity.
two yellow ones.
Didn't we already have these?
Probably lemon.
We already had yellow ones.
No, but they had green in them.
Depends on how big you
I don't want to buy it. I don't want to buy it. I don't want to buy it.
But
I don't want to buy it.
fudge. This time you used to
I
clean the
don't want to
window.
buy it.
You know something you used to clean the windows? That's what it smells like. It tastes like. No! Oh my god!
You it's big bugs. You're trying to kill us.
It's a pledge.
put some super glue on it.
Yeah.
Those are different colored oranges.
Should I just get Bristol or
This is the same. Probably like orange or something.
banner paper?
Okay. Here's your lemon out of your mouth. It's orange. Not that
Go
bad.
to Jack Astor's, ask for some of the
It's like vitamin C.
paper that
No, I know.
There's more grape ones.
Why are you making me eat these? These are gross.
How short notice
That's
do you
purple.
think she could do it?
I'm not eating another purple one.
Okay, I want me to eat the purple ones.
So I kind of want to call her today.
Is there white ones?
No, I didn't have any coconut.
Ew, the coconut? Never mind.
Here, what are these?
I don't know what they are. I'm really scared. Becky, make me eat ones I don't like.
I don't even taste anything.
It's on Leslie, right?
Ew.
It's angel food cake.
Ew.
How about the mango ones? Ah, not bad. They're actually pretty good.
I'm pretty scared.
Really weird.
Right?
So all these other ones I made funny faces at. They're all stuck in my cheeks, so right here.
Mango. Not bad.
Ew.
You don't like any.
Never talk.
Can I have that pink one?
No. They're too orangey colored.
No, I don't want another orange one.
It's different orange.
No, it's not.
It's got colors in it. The last one was just plain orange. These are orange with colors.
So you have your own hair. See, from the school, high school.
I didn't even taste anything.
I'm scared to bite it. I don't taste anything. I'm not gonna show you. But I have jelly bean stuff right here.
They taste like oranges. I haven't tasted them.
I'm tasting them all combined right now because they're all stuck in my right here.
Okay, so this video isn't very long. We'll cancel this one.
No.
To clean our mouths with jelly beans, and we'll start to do it again.
No.
No? You want to do one full recording?
No.
So get some of the stuff out of your mouth. Well, there's a white one. It's coconut, though.
I'm not eating it.
Of course not. Hold this. I can't dig through the bag at the same time.
The stuff she's making me eat is pretty gross, guys.
It should be good.
No.
Those different shades of red. I'm scared to eat them.
Yeah.
The dark green ones are watermelon. These two, oh wait, no, one of them's different. I hate this, I have to like examine them all. Well, we both have this one, we're just gonna start eating different color ones. We each get different colored green ones. One do you want? One's darker than the other.
I want the light one.
This one's watermelon, definitely.
Oh, then I want that one.
This is this color. Show your color, Cali, because your color's different.
Oh, my color's different.
Okay? Of lime.
A watermelon. It's the one I like.
You don't want coconut?
No.
I like the coconut one.
I don't like coconut.
Then take the red one. I like coconut. No problems with the red ones. You get cinnamon, right? Pity you, it hurts.
This is cinnamon?
I don't know what one. One of the red ones is cinnamon.
I don't like cinnamon. I did the cinnamon challenge. It's gross.
That one's white. Show yours. That might be cherry or something, ready?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, mine's
Take this
coconut.
off to the 404. This is how you're going to
Cinnamon and cherry.
But just put yourself 404.
This is cinnamon.
Go north on this.
This is cinnamon.
Yeah, it burns.
Go north. You're coloring on left. And then you're going north on left. Actually, use Goodwill.
No, my tongue.
Yeah, Goodwill. Okay, so
Look at the disgusting flavors on my mouth.
right there. Right across.
You want to try this color? Mine was root beer. Or there's two more of the same color.
Oh God. I'm really scared.
Yeah, I think root beer or something.
You sure? Because the other ones you kind of
Same
lied
color.
to me.
I don't know. I'm gonna go with this.
with your extension.
Root beer.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's root beer.
It's okay.
Ooh, the aftertaste is nasty.
I'm gonna keep chewing it then. Ew, you're right.
All these look the same-ish. Okay, mine has a bit more red on it. This should be interesting. Ready, Callie? 1, 2. It's like berry or something. It's like
Haircuts or what?
That does not mix with the other flavors in my mouth right now. No.
it's like cherry.
That's gross. There's a rainbow thing.
Oh, you've never seen that? It's going to give me a chance to look more flavors. There's different yellow ones.
Can you see it? I don't know if you said it. You see it. But there's a rainbow.
There's a dark red and a red
Rainbow. It says welcome.
One's berry and the other one's something random.
I think it means like welcome to like pedophile thing.
Looks kind of
Pedalers.
Okay. These are the ones that are all Take one. One's okay. So this one is just plain red. Can I show yours?
I'm
show
still eating jelly.
Show the camera yours still. It's red and orange. Ready?
No.
I'm choking on the root beer one.
Rub it out. It's not medicine.
Ready? Berry. Ew! What's yours?
It's cinnamon.
Miss G.
You got the same one.
$2.
What's strawberry?
Spicier.
What's strawberry?
Oh my God, I'm really hot.
Now you got them.
Water.
Really?
Yeah. I'm burning my tongue.
Why is Joe kissing my arm? There's the lemon pledge once again.
No.
Actually, one of them's different. One's bright yellow, the other's faded yellow. What do you want to try? One's butter
Even when
popcorn.
you get to time where you're making
Probably the Taylor one.
Ah.
thing and your customers
I don't know. I like the lemon pledge one if you want the butter popcorn one. That one looks like lemon pledge. That one's just a bit lighter. No promises.
Oh god.
Mine's lemon pledge.
Yeah, but we're getting up to the top.
Ew, what is that?
It's either butter popcorn or you get lemon.
It's lemon something.
It's so
So a French left.
There's peach. Another one of those disgusting flavors. I'm afraid I'm gonna throw up.
There's peach or orange. The lighter one's peach.
I don't want it.
These are fuzzy peaches.
I don't want it.
If you eat it, we're
I don't trust you. You've been lying to me all these other ones except for the
I'm
one
guessing.
root beer. Well, I don't want to take it.
Yeah, I don't want it. No, yeah, feel it. Look. We got 10 minutes.
That one was really spicy. Oh my god. I want a couple jelly beans to go there.
Right? It's orange.
Mine might be different. I'm scared to bite
It's
it.
either orange or peach. Those are the only orange ones. The peach one is the fuzzy peaches. Peach orange.
I
still have, like,
ew. So that's at night.
There's 2 grape ones. We go through the grape again.
It's been 11 minutes long, guys.
11 minutes of
I don't
torture
want
for
it.
Cali.
I don't want
Take your grape one. Cali, after that, there's only 2 more each. And you can, I'll let you pick the ones you want. The ones I eat. I'll eat the lemon pledge one.
You eat that. You eat them. Eat them. No, I'm not eating it.
Eat one. Eat the smaller one. Or swallow it with the pill.
I can't swallow pills.
I'll shove it up your
I can't
nose.
be druggy. That's a good thing.
I'll shove it up your nose.
No, you won't. Whoa. Okay.
Just eat it and quick.
No, it's gross. I
Cali,
threw up. That one was
for
really
12
gross.
minutes.
That one was really gross.
Eat it.
I almost threw up.
It's better you end up eating it last. When they'll be the last taste you taste. All the other ones will be.
Ah.
Get over with quick.
I'm not eating. Well, that's because you don't mind artificial grape. I don't like grape. I hate you.
Eat it.
There's another grape one. I'm not eating
No.
it.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what the dark purple one is. I didn't grab any coffee ones. I should have. Their face would have been priceless. They're so gross. I'll eat the lemon pledge one. Do you want lemon pledge?
No.
No? How about the
I don't
orange?
want to eat this thing and throw it on the ground.
Literally.
Care
Cut
this
it, like
way.
banana.
That's like my favorite one.
I'll eat it.
Hot pink one. And the
I'll eat the lemon pledge one. Pick one. Wait, no, pick, just do the orange one again, then we'll both eat the weird colors. Pick just the plain orange one, then we'll both eat the weird colors.
No, what if that one's like the cinnamon one again?
It's orange. The red one's cinnamon. No, it's
Yeah.
orange. That one might be cinnamon.
I'm not eating it.
I'll eat the lemon pledge. Cash it yours. Lemon pledge is growing on me. It's like glowing. Okay, do you want the dark one or the red one? Red one might be cinnamon, but I'm not sure. I have no idea what the purple one is. It won't be grape though. Grape video with grapes.
I can't trust this girl.